Tammy, and it is Tuesday after work. I have my lovely Tasman with me. And we are going to pick up groceries. So that is where we are headed. Sorry, this is all crooked and funny. I have the windows open because Mr. Man likes it that way, and I like him, so I try to make him happy. Hope you guys are doing well. I have had a great weekend. I went to Tennessee with Dennis's aunt. I'm sorry, I know that that's hard to hear. I'm gonna roll these up a little bit. He's not using it anyway. I'll just roll them both up because he's not using it and it's hot. It says it's 99 degrees on my dash, so that is warm, especially for September. So anyway, I went to Tennessee with Dennis's aunt. We left on Saturday and we came home yesterday, which was Monday, and she wanted to pay some respects to her mom who had passed away, I don't know, maybe 3 months ago. You guys probably remember when I talked about that, but maybe it wasn't quite that long ago, a couple months ago. And it was decent. She's a mess, that woman, but I love her. And she said that she hadn't laughed so hard in a long time and that she had a great time, so that made it worth it to me. It was fun. I'm glad that it was just the two of us, so we had a nice little girls' weekend, and it was fun. We did a little bit of shopping at this outlet store that has it's Vanity Fair outlet, and they sell a lot of clothes for they have women's, men's, but Vanity Fair is a brand, at least as far as I know, that always reminds me of like lingerie. That's undergarments, not really lingerie, but more bras and panties kind of a thing. So I actually found some of those, which was nice. And I actually found some Nautica stuff. I got a shirt for Dennis and a shirt for Alex and a pair of pants for Alex. And I got a really cute poncho for me. And I have no business buying ponchos since I've been knitting so crazily. But this one was really cute, and it was plaid, and it was only $20. It was a really good deal. So I went ahead and got that. Seems like I got something else that was... Oh, I got another poncho. I forgot. It was blue and had long sleeves, but then it kind of, the sleeves like stops here and then starts getting to be like a bat wing. It's kind of cute, I think. So I got that, and I figured I wouldn't knit that. I might knit something like it someday, but honestly, it was done in like really small, like sport weight or, fingerling weight yarn or whatever. But, and it was so big that I know that it would take me forever to knit it. So I don't know. It's so funny how I look at things differently now. So there's that. So sweet Tasman. Sweet boy. We rented a Toyota RAV4 for the trip, and that was nice. I hadn't had one of those, but it actually drives a lot like my CRV. But it was very nice. I liked it, and it was a pretty gray color. Like almost a flat gray or a matte gray, not really flat, I guess, but it was nice. What else do I know? Dennis at first was not happy that I was going without him, but then he got okay. Crazy men. He's like, the next time we go to Tennessee, we're going together. Okay, dear. I'm glad he likes me. And I got to see Katie on Friday. She came into town because she was like their dorm, the floor of their dorm does little get-togethers, and this was the beginning of the school year, kind of a get-together so that everybody could get to know each other and kind of have a little bit of just fun. And they had someone on the floor that lives in Indianapolis, and so Katie and her roommate, one of her roommates, drove together, and they met me for coffee beforehand, which was really nice. And there's a little cupcake place right by the coffee place, so I stopped and got them each a cupcake and then had coffee with them. It was a lot of fun. And then oh, she got a flat tire on the way, which was really scary, she said, because it was in a construction zone and there were like those little cement walls up, and the tire like flew off of the car. She had hit a pothole, and then she said 3 to 5 minutes later she heard like a big pop, and yeah. Ugh. So I felt bad for her, but she handled it really well, and a nice police officer came and helped her, and so all of that was really good, and I am thankful for that. Bless her heart. Sometimes it's hard to know what to do. She did call me right away, which was cool, but by the time I was renting the car, actually, by the time I got to be able to call her, the police officer was already there, so that was really good. And they had a good time at the function, I guess. And what else do I know? I think since the last time I talked with you, Taz had his spa day, and they said that he gave lots of kisses because he's such a sweet boy. Lots of loving kisses. Isn't that right, Taz? You're so cute. Oh, I love that dog. I love that dog. All right, well, I am at Kroger, so I'm going to let you guys go, but I just wanted to touch base and say hello, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.